Hey, Miss K fans, what's up? What's up? What's up? Haven't you missed me? Eh? Haven't you missed your girl? Don't mind the COVID though. In fact, to overcome. Okay, so last weekend I prepared some special fried rice from my kitchen, and I'm going to share with you, okay, the process. Please, this is not professional cooking. It is something that I did to eat in the house. So please, this is what is telling me. Please don't come and chastise me why I didn't use this, why I didn't use that. I did it to my taste. So just enjoy the video and have a great Friday. Friday. Friday.
No corona.
Friday.
It's chilling time.
Enjoy. Of course, for vegetable fried rice, you need your vegetables. And we are using some carrots, onions, green pepper, and then we have a bit of spring onions. You can add other vegetables according to your taste. Some people add cabbages, some people add other kind of pepper, maybe red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, according to your taste. So this is what we are having today. This is what we want. So as you can see, they are all looking so colorful, and I know this fried rice is going to be on point. It's vegetable fried rice. I also have some chicken, some leftover chicken from the fridge, and then some fried sausages. We cut them into pieces. I didn't video the process, but we cut them into pieces and then we fried them. For my rice, I'm going to use spiced rice. It's yellow spiced rice. I'm going to show you the container. So this is what it looks like. We've already cooked it with a bit of butter in it. This is the rice that I'm using. It's called Par Excellence Yellow Rice. That's what I'm using for my fried rice. But you can always use your normal rice. Cook it with a bit of oil. Don't let it become too soft. Starting with eggs. Sorry, I'm not using a frying pan. Forgive me. I'm using a deep saucepan. Because I don't have. So I'm starting with eggs. 3 eggs. I think the egg is 4 rather, yeah. Starting with 4 eggs. See, our eggs are all looking fluffy, just like scrambled eggs. And then we are going to add some of the vegetables now. We are adding in our vegetables. Onions are fried now, so we are adding the rest of the vegetables. We are adding the carrots and the green pepper and then the spring onions. It's all looking so colorful, very colorful. It's easy to make fried rice. To be in this kitchen to smell what I'm smelling. The aroma is so beautiful. It's breathtaking. Breathtaking. I hope my English is good. This is smelling so good, and it's looking so colorful. So what we're going to do next is to add our rice. We're going to add our rice, our flavored rice. Our hands are washed, so that's why we are using our hands. We washed them before. Our spices now. This is homemade spice. You can choose what you are comfortable with. We have a bit of pepper, we have a bit of curry powder or turmeric powder, as some call it, and then some other spices. Because our rice is already spiced, we are not going to add too much spice to it, but you use the spice that you are comfortable with or that you feel will help you. Some people can add Maggi, some people can add anything at all that will go well for you. Our rice is almost done. Once you add the spices, the rice is good to go. It's almost done and it's all looking so wonderful. In fact, beautiful. And it's smelling heavenly. Look, just look at beautiful fried rice. I don't know if I can say that. We are adding our proteins now, the sausages and then the chicken. You can use any meat that you want. You can add beef, you can add pork, you can add sausages, chicken, whatever meat. You can even add shrimps or maybe some seafood to it according to your taste. And then finally we are adding soy sauce. We are not going to add a lot because our rice is already colorful. Just a bit of soy sauce for taste and we are good to go. So this is how I prepare my vegetable fried rice. If you have any other way that you prepare yours, you can mention it or write it in the comments and then I can try it out next time. But this is how I prepare mine and it's so tasty, so tasty. I wish you were in my kitchen to taste it. So tasty. And the smell, smell is so good. There we have it. Our fried rice is ready and popping with some chicken. You can add some black pepper to it if you want. This is looking good and it's about to go down. It's about to go down.